Welcome to Next Gen Mansions, where luxury has reached a whole new level. The amazing 70-story mansion floats above a clear, shining lagoon. Its outside is made of soft pearl white, light copper, and sky blue colors. The building has smooth, flowing shapes with sky gardens that seem to float, and smart technology that controls everything inside. The floor can change with your mood, and the air is always just right. On top there is a rooftop with glowing lotus pools and fruit trees that grow in the clouds. Every floor is filled with high-tech features, beautiful views, and peaceful design. This is not just a house; it's a dream home from the future. At the end, I would like to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, especially comment it how was the video. I'm you are thankful.